The Cordless Magic Clip has 5 USA industry patents and a unique patented stagger tooth blade that helps diffuse lines of demarcation, and a taper lever for easy fading and blending. The 13-degree bevel bottom blade for on-scalp cutting is perfect for shape and freeform cutting. This clipper incorporates crunch blade technology. This unique crunch blade design allows the end user to hear the hair being cut, resulting in no hair being left behind. And creates a polished look. You have cord or cordless options and a running time of 100 minutes.
Today I'm going to tell you more about the GOLDFX clipper by BaBylissPRO. One of the first things that you will notice is that it has a barbell grip, which makes this tool super easy to rotate in your hands as you're moving it around the head. One thing I like to add for extra comfort is this Babyliss clipper grip. As you move up, you'll notice that the power button is right in the middle, so it's going to be a great tool to have for right-handed or left-handed people. One of the best features on this tool is the 5 locking detents that you'll find on the side. What that does for you is that it allows you to have consistency all throughout your haircut because you'll always know where you're at. Another added bonus is the hanging hook at the bottom. Another feature that makes this tool easy to use is that it comes equipped with a taper blade. If you look at the blade from the side, you'll notice that the end is more beveled. When it comes to barbering, I'm sure you've heard of the term C-scoop. The bevel blade will assist your C-scoop, and as a result of that, you will notice that your haircuts look much softer when you're doing any skin fades or skin tapers. If you are in the market of looking for a new tool that's easy to use, that has a system in place, this is something I truly recommend.
Wahl has created the new standard of home haircutting with the BaBylissPRO high-performance haircutting kit. The BaBylissPRO is built with our finest blades, best guide combs, and most powerful motor. The new self-sharpening precision ground blades cut all types of hair 40% faster than our standard blades and stay sharper longer for smooth, snag-free haircuts. This kit also includes a full set of easy, mistake-free guide combs that can be stored in the handy nylon storage bag and come with stainless steel attachment clips that securely fasten to the clipper, large ID nameplates for easy-to-see comb size identification, and are made with premium grade material that is 70% stronger than our standard guide combs. The new durable, long-lasting motor has 15% more power than Wahl's power drive motor and comes with a lifetime warranty. The Elite Pro also features an industrial-grade power cord and comes with a handle storage case, barber shears with protective blade guard, large styling comb, cord wrap, barber cape, and other accessories that help give you a premium haircut at home. Pick up your Elite Pro high-performance haircutting kit today. Wahl, the brand used by professionals since 1919.